De La Salle University. In unfamiliar territory, they've never been, if I'm not mistaken, the entire season, they've never been down by as much as 10. And here they are now staring at a 10-point deficit. They do have the advantage in sets. They're up 2-1. This is set number 4. But I don't see them recovering in set number 4 in time to steal it away from UST. And the fans are ecstatic with the way UST is playing in set number 4.
And just when I was saying that this is a different La Salle squad now, more matured one, but in the last 2 sets, showing really something that we're surprised, and something that we just saw now in this game in La Salle. Yung pagiging out of focus nila, it's something really new to us in this season. So let's see how they're going to be able to recover.
Maraño, blocked again by Ortiz. Maraño has been checked this entire set. Off the block from Mercado. 2 straight points for De La Salle.
Again, Mercado stepping up, taking that last play. Kailangan may ganun, may maging leader. And just to get them back to their game. Oh, and sorry miss there, sorry push. Bernal with that error.
Bernal, you see her, you know she's a rookie. Medyo marami pang nerves. She's trying to calm down as she makes a hit. She's very tense on the floor for UST.
A bit stiff, when you see her.
Block is Ortiz. That's 4 straight points for La Salle as they are fighting their way back into this game. And Bernal is taken out by Coach Shaq. In is Banaticla after getting some treatment from the PTs of UST. And straight away to work she goes, Banaticla.
It's still her birthday. Ortiz now on the line for UST. Oh, over-received by Chacruz.
Here's Banaticla on the attack. 2 straight points for Banaticla, fresh off the bench.
Somebody stop this girl.
I think she's about to cry or something, or she's wincing in pain. I can't really tell right now.
It's a little bit of everything, I guess, Eric. All the emotions running in.
After 4 straight points by La Salle, 2 straight points rattled off by UST, back to an 8-point advantage. 18, serving 10.
Oh, Ortiz now with an error on the serve. Still a 7-point lead for UST. As Esperanza now gets in for Joancy.
Abigail Maraño scored 14 points in their last game. Dimakulangan back to Banaticla. Banaticla unstoppable.
Once again, impeccable timing for Banaticla. Even if the set was already close to the antenna, still able to hit that ball.
Now that's a smart play. Dikit na sa antenna yung bola. Bounce it off Alarca.
Yes. Oh.
Right on the line.
Banaticla, even on the serve.
Is there anything wrong that she can commit here in set number 4?
Not on her birthday.
Wow. The birthday luck is not a myth, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, at least not for Maru Banaticla
not for
in
Banaticla.
this game. Alarca with a violation. It has to be a single motion.
Parang dinakot na yung bola,
Yes.
no? Take a look here.
Parang may split-second stop dun sa palm ni Alarca. Just called the violation is Banaticla again serving for UST.
Back to a 10-point lead, 21-11. Back row hit, Chacruz. Caballejo rejected. Dimakulangan, back to Caballejo.
Off speed.
Dumped by Dimakulangan. Underhand set, Mercado. Hit by Hirotsuji. Here's Alarca.
Suji because of that tip. Easy recovery for LaSalle who's able to set up their play. Kailangan yan yung mga iniisip mo. Well, because she's still young, gusto lang niya siguro percentage, just get the ball over, but yun naman ang mangyayari doon. Easy pick up for De La Salle.
Good first ball. Caballejo.
On defensive blocking. This is how LaSalle should work. They should start first with their biggest advantage, which is the block. Diyan muna, get your groove back from what you do the best. Diba? Score some points off the block and then things will follow.
2 straight points for LaSalle. Little hit from Caballejo this time. Same result.
Triple block now, given by LaSalle.
Take a look here. And timeout called by Coach Shaq. He doesn't want things to go out of hand. Let's go to him.
Yung tatlong block, walang tao din sa gilid. Ngayon mo gamitin pag nagtatlong block sarado. Kasi nahatak mo na yung tatlo. Buka na to. Okay? Ulit ulit tayo. Ganun ulit. Ha? Isip lang na maganda ha. Isang maganda. Last four tayo team ha. Wala na mangyari lang. Last four. Ha?
Tip by Coach Shaq. Kung nakita mong tatlo yung blockers, there must be an opening.
Yes,
sa sarap, sa sides.
Sa sides ng triple block. So, dun mo gagamitin ngayon yung push, yung tip. Ang dami ng open space niyan pagka triple block. But of course, LaSalle risking it, knowing that that's their biggest advantage.
3 straight points for the Lady Spikers of LaSalle. That's going to be long for Esperanza.
Very long. That's crucial at this juncture.
Rhea de Maculangan had 5 points in their last outing. Gumabaw. Great flick of the wrist. Maizo, better flick of the wrist. As she scores another point, 23-14, 9-point lead USD.
And credit have that point, the setting job of De Maculangan, Banaticla.
It's not being, you can't see it on your screen. Banaticla is crying, she's weeping, and she is being carried off the playing court. Seems to be in intense pain. I think she sprained her ankle again or something like that. She is in tears at this point, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very sad sight to see for sports fans, whether you're rooting for LaSalle or USD, for a player to go down like this.
This game.
Yeah, of course.
How she's playing and how she's contributing in this game will really be a big factor.
I think that why she's crying is not because of the pain, but because she's not going to be able to play. Block on Alarca, uncontrolled by USD. Point for LaSalle here.
USD needing only 2 points to close this set and force a 5th set.
Still a long way to go for both teams, actually. Although, of course, USD is just 2 points away from closing this set out.
LaSalle up by 2 sets to 1.
De Maculangan to Caballejo, who's been checked this set.
Asking that they did not block the ball, no check.
They get the breaks of the game.
Net block, but no go.
USD getting the breaks of the game here as the call was made in their favor. Take a look at the action at the net here. Caballejo.
Once again, tumama.
Kitang-kita tumama sa kamay ni Alarca. Clearly, you can see that on the replay there. Was that Alarca or Gumabaw?
Minsan kasi kahit sa tape lang ng net, pero tumama pa rin sa arm.
Definitely. So set point USD, they're up by 9, so they have basically 9 set points to play around with. Karangan with a serve. Alarca off the Caballejo block, saving 1 set point.
To play immaculate. And instead, if they want to salvage this one.
LaSalle serving in the front row. We have Maizo Ortiz for De Maculangan. Over on the first receive though. by USD. Free ball for the Tigresses. Di Makulangan. Who does she go to? Isa Mais with the tip. Wow! What a come from behind win in terms of sets. They were in full control of set number 4, but it didn't seem like they were going to mount a comeback after 2 sets, Mosey.
Exactly, Eric. We thought it was going to be LaSalle's game already after the second set. Show of dominance of LaSalle, and well, the preparedness was there. And USD really springing up a surprise. And surprising everybody here at the arena.
The biggest win so far in this match. As you can see, 25-16 in set number 4. Set number 5 coming up right after these.